Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Google Play app and tapping your profile icon at the top right. Once done, go straight to Settings and find Notifications. You do this because Play controls app and system alerts centrally. Changing here prevents repeated prompts from individual apps. Make sure to have your device unlocked and connected to the internet so settings save. If you use multiple accounts, confirm the active account is the one you want to change. That avoids adjusting the wrong profile later. Now, review the notification categories like updates, offers, and security. These are grouped for clarity. You can toggle each category off to stop specific alerts or set importance to low to keep them quiet but visible. If you want a single action, choose Block All. This prevents any Play notifications from appearing. Once you change a setting, Android applies it immediately, so test by closing Play and waiting for any scheduled notifications. To confirm the behavior changed, finish by restarting your device to ensure system-wide application of your new preferences. Once it boots, double-check Settings app's Google Play Store to confirm no app-level overrides are re-enabling alerts. If notifications persist, clear the Play Store cache and data or update the Play Store app. These actions resolve stuck notification flags. One troubleshooting tip: if clearing cache fails, sign out and sign back into your Google account to force a sync. This often clears lingering notification state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.